2021 has been a year of exponential gains for cryptocurrencies, and the social media was abuzz with it. Google 2021 year in search shows Dogecoin, Ethereum, Shiba Inu on top. Cryptocurrency was the most popular topic on Reddit in 2021, with people mentioning crypto 6.6 million times. Twitter India's most tweeted hashtags about digital assets were Bitcoin, crypto, NFT and DeFi. Let's see then on how 2021 has been in crypto performance. The top of the list is Bitcoin. No surprises there. The popularity of Bitcoin has skyrocketed in 2021 as El Salvador chose Bitcoin as a legal tender. Thousands of companies globally have installed Bitcoin ATMs, and Bitcoin has strong global institutional and retail adoption. The second on list is Ethereum. It has emerged as the currency and platform for smart contracts. It is the second largest crypto in the world according to market capitalization. Tech companies like Microsoft, Intel and JP Morgan Chase are building business ventures that drive Ethereum. Largest numbers of NFT and DeFi services are positioned on Ethereum. One of Ethereum's top competitors is the next on list, which is Solana. It has seen exponential gains in 2021. There are billions of dollars in cryptocurrency logged on its blockchain, making Solana one of the largest blockchains for decentralized finance. Transaction fees on Solana are about 99% less expensive than Ethereum. The key aspect about Solana is that it's driven its token price higher is the need for speed. It can handle 50,000 transactions per second. The secret sauce is its unique proof of history protocol. The next on list is Shiba Inu, and it has shaken up the crypto world in 2021. This meme cryptocurrency success can be mostly attributed to its connection to Doge and an influx of new crypto investors to the cryptocurrency market. However, it has been able to cut out a niche for itself, and we have seen very strong participation across countries for this one. Axie is the next on board, and it boasts about 300,000 DAUs or daily active users, indicating an increase of more than 30 times this year alone. Axie is one of the largest Discord servers across the world. The reason Axie Infinity has likely done so well has to do with the revenue the game is generating. The next one I want to talk about is Sandbox, and this is all about monetizing the metaverse. That is the next iteration of the internet that allows users to interact in a 3D and virtual environment. This blockchain-based gaming platform rewards gamers for creating virtual worlds, interacting within their own or other worlds as well.